What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing the lake on my kayak this time, and I'm going to be crossing the lake like I did last time, but to the grassy area. Once again, I feel like there's a lot of big fish there. I have some different types of frogs that I'm going to be trying out, so hopefully that works out, guys, and see if we can catch any fish. Let's get to it. Alright everybody, I've about made it to the first spot of the day, crossed the lake. The only problem with today is going to be not so much wind. It's a little windy, but running into people like this to my left that are like flying by in their boats. It's a little windy today, but it's manageable. So I went ahead and crossed the lake. I'm going to be starting off in this area and making my way to the right of this side, because to the right there's a ton of grass, and I have a feeling that there's some big fish there. Last time I saw a bunch of fish busting in that area, and they seem relatively big. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off right here and see if I can catch any fish, guys. Let's get to it. I'm going to be starting off with a watermelon red cinco, because last time I was fishing this area I saw a fish spit up a red craw. So I'm going to be basing my lures off of that today, and like frogs because of the grass. So I'm going to go ahead and try it out. It is a little windy here. I'm not going to fish here for too long. Try and make my way out of the wind, stay out of the waves. Don't want to flip over, but I'll go ahead and give this cove a shot either way. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to fish this bank for too long because it's pretty wavy. So let's see if I can catch a fish on the other side or try to avoid these waves and wind. All right guys, right here there's a lot of structure, and it kind of just drops off like right here. So this might be pretty good. There might be some fish right here, and this is like really shallow area. This looks like a good spot. First fish of the day, guys. Feels like a decent one. Not bad. Kind of just reeling him in. Not a bad fish. He's not even fighting at all. Get in here, buddy. Very long, skinny fish, guys. Absolutely demolished the watermelon red cinco. All right, guys, there we go. First fish of the day. This fish is weirdly skinny. I have never seen a fish this skinny, guys. I can understand why he was trying to eat. Look at this guy. Look, I mean, like a paper. All right, go ahead and let this fish go. Get healthy, buddy. Eat some food. All right, see if we can catch another one, guys. That guy was oddly skinny. Got some waves coming in from a boat. I'm gonna have to move my kayak. Might get a little rough. They're decently big. I think I can handle them. Oh, they're pretty big, guys. These waves are pretty big. From a boat. Holy crap. I might flip. I actually might flip. Holy crap, guys. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh, holy crap. Oh my god, you guys. Those were some huge waves. Oh my gosh, I got that on camera. All right, keep fishing. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. I'm getting thumped, guys, once again. Oh, he came off. No! Oh my god. This spot is filled with bass, though. I'm not too mad, because I know I'm going to run into another one. Ah, I didn't feel that big, though. Did not feel that big. Keep fishing. Well, guys, I've come upon the cove where I lost a ton of frog fish last time. This time I have a different frog. I have those plastic frogs, 50-pound braid, and a Texas rig hammer hook. Do I have a fish on? There we go, guys. That's a decent one. Not bad. Not too big. Not bad, not bad. Get right here, buddy. There we go, guys. Second fish of the day. Definitely chunkier than the last one. I mean, it'd be hard to beat the last one. This fish has definitely been hooked before, I can tell. There we go. Second fish of the day. Not too big, not a giant, but I'll go ahead and let this fish go. There he goes, back into the water. See if we can catch any more, guys. Oh wait, I just caught a fish out of that. Oh my god. That hook set was so weird too. No way that just happened, guys. Please tell me I was recording. Yes, I was recording. Get over here, buddy. He's hooked pretty good. He's not going anywhere. Guys, oh my gosh, there's this little pocket right next to me, just like in some thick grass, and this fish was there. I literally cast it right next to me, and I just saw my line just take off, and then I set the hook so weird, but I managed to catch this fish. Not a bad day so far. I've caught 3 fish in total. Time check is currently 6:09. Not a bad day. Literally, I've caught so many fish already. Go ahead and let this fish go back into the same pocket so we can catch another one, guys. All right, guys, so I have tied on the plastic frog that I got with a Texas rig hook, and there is like a spot right here that's pretty calm. All right, guys, here we go. First cast on the frog. I am seeing some top water blow-ups. This looks good. Oh, guys, I have a fish on. No, he came off right there on the grass. Nice top water blow up. First fish of the day. Set the hook hard. Not bad, not bad. All right, I'll keep fishing with this. That was fun. We still have a whole cove left. Not bad. I'm fishing it slow, trying to get these bigger fish to come up and eat this frog, but not a bad sign, guys. Keep fishing. All right, guys, so I have made it to some kind of, or some really clear, kind of calm water. Oh, I just gotta. Oh, he came off. No way. I waited for him to eat it on the frog, guys. Literally as I just started talking. I think he ate it head first. That's the problem. Yep, this frog is done. Not bad. This frog is not disappointing, guys. That was instant. I am actually hooking up this time compared to my other frog. So that's a good thing. I'm bound to catch one. Alright, everybody, that is going to officially end today's video. Not a bad day at all. I caught 3 fish in total, and I lost probably about 4 fish, and like 3 of those were on the frog. Absolutely insane. I need to get better at frog fishing. This time I even had the right setup. I know it was just hard, guys. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all did, go ahead and leave a like on this video, comment, and subscribe for future videos, and I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.